Welcome to PreSkills program. So in today's session, we are going to discuss what's the difference between generative AI, AI agents, and agentic AI. Many of us have a doubt that what exactly difference between generative AI, AI agents, and agentic AI. So let me explain very clearly with examples, real-time examples to understand what exactly mean of generative AI. Firstly, the main definition of generative AI is it's generally used to create. The name itself, it should saying that it is used to generate like nothing but create a new content such as text or images or videos or audios. Even like if you want to write a code, we can use this one. So how it's generating, it's based on existing data. So it learn from existing data and it generates a new data based on the pre-trained data. So like it does not think like a human. So it only predicts and generates the output based on the given data or already existing data. So at present, some example, real-time examples of generative AI, which we are using ChatGPT. So how it takes sources of internet data like Wikipedia or many open websites and research from Google and all. So what when it was started, so early 2010s, it's a basic text generation purpose. They used it like a chatbots and autocomplete like that we have applications. In 2014, there we have a GANs algorithm that is generative adversarial networks concept is entered into 2014. From there, we are using some more advanced like. And in 2017, it got introduced with the transformers concept of Google attention papers. So that is a AI revolution is started in 2017. In 2022 onwards, as we are using ChatGPT or DALL, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney, it's a generative AI major sources of like utilization. And coming to the real-time examples in the industry are like Netflix, as we are using Instagram. So how we are using Netflix. So users generate you generate or movie posters, trailers, and personalized recommendations like. So in the same way, then we have that we are using is for Instagram to create AI tags and all. And also in Amazon Prime, which are used to generate personalized previews. So based on user watch behavior. That means, for example, if you're watching only like fiction movies, then when you open Amazon Prime on the main screen or home screen, only fiction related movies will be appeared on the screen like that. So when it comes to the YouTube, so it's auto generates like thumbnails, captions, and summaries of videos, and also like audio to text subtitles. So it's all are it's because of generative. That's a major part of the generative. Nothing but so what are the type of data we are providing based on the data? It will give a summary or it will produce new data or new content. So when it comes to that AI agents, somewhat advanced than that generative AI, that AI agents are the main goal of these AI agents are like it takes a input from the environment, analyze, and also take actions. Examples, how we think, sense, think, and act. Like so, nothing but, for example, Google Voice. It listens to our requirements and it processes the commands and it plays like. So if you ask that Alexa, could you please plays latest Telugu music? It automatically listens our voice and converts that to text, and it searches in the like whatever the platform it's using, and it fetch the data and it plays. So the thing, and also it plays. Right? So when it was started in 1956, the first concepts of AI agents in early research purpose they used like a logic based and also especially text based. And in 1980s is a rule based expert systems is entered, and 20s virtual assistant like Siri and Alexa entered into the market as still we are using it. And as we are using now autonomous AI agents that interact with multiple apps and APIs and humans. So nothing but, for example, if you want to travel somewhere else, if we want to book a flight ticket. See, if you give input that I want to travel, and also based on the climate changes because of rainy or cloudy, uh, it automatically checks that availability of tickets and cheapest rates and particular month and date, and also it automatically predicts weather forecasting based on it required API, weather APIs. So it depends on two things. One is dates and availability of prediction of cost, pricing, and all, and also it required another API. It takes the two parts of two APIs. So in that way, it requires some more, and it's comparatively generative only generate the content, but it requires the data to predict it, whether the particular day have that lowest rate and also whether conditions are good to. So example like AI agents example are Amazon Alexa, how it's using. Like it listens and also process commands and plays the music or control device. Come to the Flipkart customer support chatbots. That's all queries like order tracking and also refund process and many like regular questions what the customers ask. And also Netflix, how their recommendation engines as a agent constantly update suggestions. Coming to the Instagram, like spam detection, like bots remove harmful contents, so which helps to Instagram to block that hackers and all. And come to that final one, agentic AI. So what exactly agentic AI means? So agentic AI, it's like somewhat advanced. It's like how we are thinking, how we are acting. It's like most of the VIPs will keep a personal assistant, PAs. In real life. In the same way, Agentic AI works like that. So Agentic AI is the next evolution of AI agents, somewhat added to this one. Like it's upgrade version of AI agents. So unlike traditional agents that follow a fixed rules, Agentic AI is autonomous, adaptive, and can plan long-term actions without human interventions. So that means it combines generative plus AI agents, and also it finds the reasoning and also stores a memory there. For example, we always booking food. We are keeping a food order in food apps like X and Y apps. So the next time when we are planning to order it, when you ask the app to also book a like biryani or order biryani, then it thinks that based on previous orders and our taste, like extra masala or some soups and all, it automatically adds to that and asks us to final decision. Could we order the same order? You want to change it. So like that. So agentic AI work. So from 2023 onwards, agentic AI is entered into the market, and also 2024 is a big tech companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, most of the companies are investing lots of money on autonomous AI systems like to develop it. So that means so how the humans are doing, the system will do. We'll take example Amazon shopping agent can automatically compare the products and the prices and also delivery speed and time. So place the order based on our predictions. So in YouTube Studio, Agentic AI can analyze the channel growth and suggest video ideas, and also generate content scripts, and even schedule post automatically. And also come to the Flipkart AI assistant. can negotiate with sellers and apply coupons and also make purchase decisions. And coming to the Instagram marketing AI, automatically create ad campaigns and also list budgets and also target best audience without the human work or manual work. So like this, we have many options available in the Agentic AI. That means, oh, based on the previous experiences, and it picked the best result one as a algorithm to develop or to use by the end users. Like this is a major differences of that means at a glance we'll go with that. Generative AI is used to generate a content based on the existing content. It will not think like human art generate anything. So that may be used for generating text, videos, images, audios, and many things we can. And coming to that AI agents, somewhat advanced than generative AI, and also it predicts AI agent can predict what will happen, like weather forecasting and all. Come to the Agentic AI, so it takes the help of like it's combination of generative AI agents and also it learns and also it memorize. In future, it will use the same like so that's the major difference. So what's the difference between here we have some interview questions to understand. What's the difference between generative AI and agentic AI? Generative AI creates a content like text, image, and video, while agentic AI can automatically take decisions and actions using generative AI as a tool. It requires the help of generative AI tool. So give an example of generative AI use in real life, like Netflix generating personalized posters and trailers. And come to the how is AI agent different from a chatbot? The chatbot only gives the responses, but AI agent can sense, think, and act. Example like Alexa turning on lights. So what is the future of agentic AI? Future apps will run autonomously. Shopping, travel, booking, finance, healthcare, and assistance without needing human intervention based on the previous experiences. So how is the job opportunities in future we have on these technologies like generative job roles? We have generative AI engineer, AI agent developer, and agentic AI specialist, prompt engineer, AI product manager, data scientist, AI and ML specialization, AI ethics and like policy specialist. Coming to that, what is the average salary in a 2025 projections based on? Generative AI engineer can get 12 to 30 lakhs per annum averagely, and also a agent developer 10 to 25 lakhs, agentic AI specialist 15 to 35 lakhs, prompt engineer 8 to 20 lakhs, and AI product manager 18 to 40 lakhs. Salaries are based on and also year on year change 2x to 4x a year. And who can learn this? What are the prerequisites before entering into the course? Who can learn? Students like engineering background, BSc background, BCA, MCA, and also working IT professionals, they can change their domain. And our business analysts and the marketers, anyone interested in AI can. So what are the basic prerequisites to do this? So basic Python programming and understanding of basic maths and the data structures and algorithms are the basic needs. Along with this one, basic knowledge and machine learning, deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and curiosity to explore in new AI tools. So the most interested. So those who want to learn or to upgrade to the agentic AI, generative AI, we are running a course online. So to get the course details and more information about course planning and syllabus and how we structured this one. So you can call to 7799 467788. This is our direct number. You can call to us to get appointment and you can book and you can get guidance of real-time experts. You can easily get it. So thank you for joining our program. See you soon.